Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Sean Sublett with the update on the weather situation as we near in on 3 o'clock this Thursday afternoon. The two cells that spawned the potential tornadoes in western parts of Metro Richmond have now moved farther northward through King William County beyond Tappahannock. There is another one that's moved just northward from Ashland. It's these two cells right here. We'll circle, there's one there. And then here comes the next one up near Tappahannock. So those are the two storms that generated the tornado warnings earlier on this afternoon within the last, let's say, 60 to 90 minutes or so. So they are moving away from Richmond. So for the very short term, let's say the next hour, hour and a half, there's no further tornadic threat at all. Now, having said that, we still have to be fair and look upstream a little bit to see what else we've got shaken for later on this afternoon. Everything coming from the southwest today. So we moved the map down I-85 and then ultimately looking westward toward 360, Keysville, Blackstone. Nothing out there showing any signs of circulation. So we feel pretty good that now over the next few hours or so, there's not going to be an enhanced tornado threat. And to be fair, we've had two reports of funnel clouds in western Henrico County, but we have not seen any reports, official reports of tornadoes or damage. That stuff is still coming in, again, as we approach 3 o'clock this afternoon. The tornadic threat isn't exactly done. There is a tornado watch in effect for all the metro area until 8 p.m. Once this first area of rainfall does push away, likely in the next 2 or 3 hours, let me zoom back out a little bit. If you look farther out to the west, way out west, you see a few more cells popping up out toward Roanoke, Martinsville, and there's a few more in West Virginia. Those specific cells aren't going to get here, but once this first wave of rain is gone, there's going to be a little bit of a break before the final little surge of showers and thunder showers does go through, again, later on this evening. So the severe weather threat is with us until 7 or 8 o'clock. There is going to be a break for a little while, so you don't need to be hunkered down for the next 4 or 5 hours. There's certainly going to be a break, but it is going to be much later on this afternoon or early evening before the atmosphere settles down enough where we can genuinely sound the all clear. But for the time being, the next hour or two, it is going to be rainy and it is going to be windy, but we don't see any of these cells upstream from Richmond. Again, the next hour or two to our 3, 4, 5 o'clock, really coming together fast enough to spawn any kind of damaging tornado threat. Of course, we'll have an update coming up a little bit later on this afternoon. So stay with us on social media for updates.